Oops.
በየቀየው መንገድ ለመውጣት ካሜራ አለባቸው። የእጅ ሻንጣችሁን ከላይ በሚገኘው የእቃ ማስቀመጫ ውስጥ ወይም ከፊት ለፊቶ ከሚገኘው ወንበር ስር ያስቀምጡት። ሻንጣዎች በመተላለፊያ መንገድ ወይንም በመውጫ በሮች አካባቢ አለማስቀመጡን ያረጋግጡ።
You like it? How are you? How are you?
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
ቀበቷችሁን ታጠቁ የሚለው ምልክት እስከሚጠፋ ድረስ በኤሌክትሮኒክስ የሚሰሩ
정단아. 누구라고 하신 거야?
아빠 한국인이고
응.
김정은이래 아빠.
Rafiki yetu hawezi Kiswahili,
hatu
ni mgeni, lakini wewe ni mwenyeji. Umekaa Tanzania kwa muda gani?
kwa
Miezi 6.
naondoka
Unaondoka wapi?
nitarudi.
Unaenda wapi?
naenda kurudi.
Ndio umerudi eh? Ulienda sasa umerudi. Karibu tena. Ni nini pale?
pale Airbnb.
Okay. Mwambie rafiki yetu Tanzania kuna wezi wataiba simu yake. Boda boda. Sawa eh?
sawa.
Mwambie kwa Kikolea.
sawa. 여기서 핸드폰 조심 마. 가져가니까.
Mwambie wewe ameweka lock. Ameweka lock.
Ndio.
Safi, safi. Ana akili. Huyu anajua. Sawa. Oya, twende, taa zimezingua. Omba twende, taa zimezingua, fanya haraka. Una miaka mingapi?
33. Una watoto wangapi? Watoto children.
Wawili. Wapo Korea. Wanakaa na nani kule? Wanakaa na nani? Na baba, mama hapa. Pale.
모자 까모자.
너 그러고 오늘 시간. 관리는 근데 이런 데서 내가 갈 거야. 하고 나서 내가 하고. 내가 갈 수 있어.
따라라라라. 따라라라따. 따다.
가리고 탄자니아. 어떤데? 이거 진짜 100% 소리야 친구야. 그거 알아야 돼요. 빨리 씻어야. 가리고 탄자니아.
Thank you.
네 얼굴 가려져 있어.
왜 우리 내일 아침에 먹고 가는 줄 알았나?
그 라면. 뭐 먹지? 라면.
만보. 아빠한테?
고마워? 이거 아니야?
맞아. 그것도 약간 리듬이 있어. 이거 올려, 그치?
나한테?
그래야 돼, 약간.
아,
나 진짜 적응 안 되는 거. 여기서 이렇게 해.
놀란 거 아니야?
아니야.
그럼?
그게 알았다는 뜻이야. 약간 우리나라에 네, 약간 이런 느낌.
뭐 맞냐고 물어봤나? 이렇게 했는데 이래서 아닌가? 하면서 쳐다봤는데 이렇게 하는 거야. 6시까지 내일 준비를 하는 거야, 알겠지? 30분에 여유롭게. 너 일어날 수 있지? 나 너가 믿을게. 야, 나 평소에 몇 시에 일어나? 나 5시 5분에 일어나. 우리 엄마 몇 시에 일어나? 5시에 일어나. 대박이야.
맛이야. 피자 끝을 머리에 토마토 소스 발라먹는 맛. 맛있겠다 근데. 그냥 뜯어 먹어야지. 맛있어? 응.
왜 아미기 되는 거야?
고마워.
어때? 별로야?
심지어 여기 치즈 없는 것도 있고 그냥 빵. 진짜? 이거 왜 비싼 거야? 그러니까 이거 제일 비쌌잖아. 5점 중에 몇 점이세요?
여기?
응.
나 근데 다 맛있어. 4.5?
4.5점? 나는 맛은 보통이지만 분위기가 다 있다. 그래서 플러스 1점. 그래서 4점.
4점이야?
응. 근데 우리처럼 먹고 커피 농장 한다? 그러면 과일맛 역시 좋을 듯긴 하지.
안 나가도 되잖아.
응.
Miss
miezi 11.
11. Congratulations.
Asante.
Nimefurahi kusikia hivyo.
Asante. Kazi njema. Kazi njema. Like mambo.
Anyang.
안녕. Like
안녕.
안녕하세요. Like shikamoo.
Like shikamo.
Yeah.
Anyang.
안녕.
Okay. All right. So,
Yeah.
my name is Anwari, like a January, but without J. So I'm the coffee guide, and this is the huge of this place is 100 hectares.
Oh.
But we want to walk in 100 hectare. We are going to stop up some different angles, and then we talk more about the coffee. Clear?
yeah.
Coffee bean. Coffee bean. It has only 5 colors.
Oh.
Let me pick this one, the black one. One bean like this one here. So the beans it used to change up the color in a different times. The first color it is the green one. So the more the beans grow, the more the color keep changing. The second one is yellowish. The third one is red. The fourth one is dark red, and the last one is black.
So this one is last.
Black. So when the beans turn into this color, we have nothing to do with it. We let them falling down and decompose. But we only pick up the beans when are turning to the fourth color, which is dark red. So when the beans turn into the dark red, it's the right time to pick the beans. So the way we pick up our beans, we don't do like this. We pick it individually, one after another one.
Okay.
We don't use the machines. We the hand pickers. So during the harvesting season, we hire more than 100 people to pick up the beans. And they pick up the whole plantations only for 2 days.
2 days?
Only for 2 days.
For this 100 hectare, right?
Yep. So we have to make sure within 2 days they definitely completely to pick everything. Thereafter, they move up to the next plantations. Otherwise, if they stay up over here, they get paid more. You pay them more. You get the point, yeah?
Yeah.
But let me struggle to open it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's very hard. You have to make sure your nails is strong.
So this.
We have some insects We call them termites, as I say.
Yeah.
It is not easy to see them during the day because so these are the coffee killers.
아.
From the soil to the sides. And then they still keep moving all the way from the branches to the beam. So they can eat up the bark of the trees or they can scratch and suck the nutrients from the beans. The sweetest from the bean.
Yeah. Then the beans. Yeah. So let me try to break it here. If
Is it okay?
Yeah, you can see here.
Ah, yeah.
You see here?
Ah.
How
It
small?
looks like ants.
How
It
small?
looks like ants.
We have come this way. We have not just stay here. Stay with me here. Yeah. Okay. So we explain it to you. So all over the world, we have only two types of coffee.
Yeah.
We have Arabica coffee and the Robusta.
Okay.
She's my friend.
I want to do Arabica.
You want to be Arabica?
Yeah. You Robusta. 뭔가 아라비카
Change the character.
Change the rule, please.
But Robusta is very nice.
Then Robusta. I will do Robusta.
Oh, you will do Arabica.
Yeah. No, Robusta.
Yeah, Robusta is very nice.
Okay, then Robusta.
You just wait for the end of this. Robusta is much better.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me.
Then why you have Arabica?
Listen. Let's say this is Arabica and this is the Robusta.
Yeah.
The word Arabica, just the word, it is coming from Ethiopia. It's an Arabian word, means light coffee in English. So if you said Arabica bean, you mean light bean. The word Robusta, it is coming from Italy. Robust, strong, something strong. Robusta or robust, something strong. So now we are talking about light, which is I, and strong, which is you. Strong. You see?
Okay.
Now you see
got
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm the weaker, you're the stronger.
Yeah. Oh, that's
Light and strong. That's
okay.
why
Yeah.
I selected you to be
Okay.
the
Oh,
Robusta.
that's good. That's nice. And you know something. Okay. Nice. And you know something.
They growing up in a different regions according to elevation. Arabica can be growing up in a different elevations or in a higher elevation. Robusta, or the stronger one, can be growing up in a low elevation. So where we are now, we are in higher elevations, about 1,472. So we have only Arabica. We don't have Robustas. Are we together?
Yeah.
Then they grow up again this size or another size? Yeah, they're just the same size.
So after 1 year and a half, the new shoots comes up, and then we can continue harvesting as normal. More than 100 years. But we said this is the second generations. So the first generations has got 70 years, and then we took everything out from the ground. We planted the new ones, which has got only 32 years old. That's why I'm asking you, how old is
시카모, 세마 시카모.
Shikamo?
말아봐.
뭐라는 거야?
The small coffee plants. We kept them here only for showing off, to show the tourists. Just like a demonstrations area. So, okay, so if you want to plant the coffee, the first thing, prepare your farm. Pick it up, soak the beans in the water for 24 hours. Later, take it out, wash by hands with a clear water, and then put them in the sunny dry for 5 days. After 5 days, take up the beans, plant it in the germination bed. After 60 weeks, the coffee plants will be like this. And 60 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah. Two leaves appear. So we have you pay them more. Strong. You see? What we waste up our time, let me pick up the green ones with the roaster machine.
오.
From the green to here. So the more you roast them, the more the color keeps changing. From here again to here. From here to here. Here to here. We want to go to the dark one. Because here it's too bitter.
Let's make up this one.
city.
The city. Let's test it. So let's check now where we are. Okay, so here?
Yeah.
No, we are here now. You can smell it.
코 조심해, 뜨거워. 열기가.
굿.
Eh?
Good.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like just like that.
How long?
So you check from the here?
Yeah.
Ah.
We call it the chopper.
Chopper?
Yeah.
Ah.
Chopper.
내 커피?
You can smell it.
와, 커피 냄새나 이제. Oh, so good.
Yeah. Just come close. Don't worry.
It just took 5 minutes.
Yeah, about 4 minutes.
끝나버려.
모두 끝나버렸다.
Oh, you can feel it.
So good.
By your nose? Just for the smell.
Okay, so we pour the coffee in here. Take some hot water.
This is very hot water, 90 degrees. So before you pour the coffee,
Before you pour the water into the plunger, you have to open up the lid and you let the steams comes out.
otherwise, if you put them straight in without open up here, you burn your coffee.
저녁에 들었던 거 같아.
Pour our coffee slowly like this
Why?
to stirring. To wait for 2 minutes. Push it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Please dance. 마샴파.
Asante.
Yeah, wow. It's good.
Oh.
It's nice.
Very nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sasampa, sasampa. Have good luck to you. How will I love one? Well, I don't know. You can take one.
Thank you.
Okay. Mi do nome para Marisa, você volta. Ai, por favor.